Okay, I forgot to do the second part of this video, so let's just get it done. Ooh. Smells like there's a skunk somewhere. Oh, okay. This is the one where I stopped here because I had 6 things. I went to, this was Monticello. They had really good stuff there. I'm only supposed to get 2, but she's like, here, if you want these and those and those. She wound up giving me 6 things. I probably could have got more, but I didn't want to be a pig. She was being so nice to me. She's such a nice person. Her name? Well, I told her I was telling her name here, but maybe I shouldn't say it because I don't want to get her in trouble, but she knows who she is. They had so many cool things. This one is Eternatus. So it looks like. You don't know. First time I ever, because I said to her, what's that? What's that one next to the red one? She brought it over and I'm like, oh, it was the last one. And I'm like, oh my God, it's the first time I've ever seen Mew. So there it is. I said I needed that one. It was the only one that I didn't have. Oh wow, she wound up giving me 8 things. I'm sorry. I thought she only gave me 2. I said to her, I haven't seen Series 1 baseball cards in a while. And then she gave me Series 1 and some Series 2. So I got 4 baseball packs, 2 Pokemon tins, and 2 Sun and Moon Challenger boxes. So, you know what? I didn't even look to see who was on the front of the Challenger boxes. I can't see it. The lighting isn't that good. Primatara? Not really sure. I'll have to watch this video because I couldn't see it. The box was in my way. But I guess they were both the same, right? Primarima. That's what it looks like it says. Primaritis, Primaraxis. Okay, good stuff. I'll just throw these in there too. Yeah, giving these away for like 37 cents, just getting rid of them. It was like, cars for 37 cents? Sure. Throw that in there. Oh, what else do I got here? These were all over the place. Oh, that was right. Season 2. Oh, it's a Mandalorian cards. I didn't realize what that was. Okay. It's funny because the one week I was buying all Green Lantern, and the one week I was buying both Green Lantern and Batman. This week I just bought Batman. God. I don't even know. I know it's Funko Pop. There's all this stuff in there. I was cleaning out my car. I started grabbing stuff, and I threw it in my Funko Pop bag. I'm not sure what this is. It's probably either Batman or... Yep. Batman. What the heck? It's inside the bag so you can't see it. I'm just curious where this was. because that was the first place I went to. Yep. Ow. Not that. Ow. Wow. Not that I even met. But, and forgot about that. I'll take that any day. I got them in multiple places as well. I turned down a couple of them because they're like $45. Well, in New York, after tax, they're almost $50. Get the hell out of the way. Jeez, these things are retarded. I'm so irritable, it's ridiculous. McDonald's is, I don't know. Use the app. Like, you drive up to the drive-through window, and you say, before you can even start ordering, it's like, welcome to McDonald's, may I help you? Oh, I saw this. This is from 2018. I don't know if someone returned it. They found it in the back somewhere. I really didn't want it, but I thought maybe it was going to be on sale. I went up and I'm like, it was normal price, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to buy it. Bobby Brady with a football. All right, what is, first time I've ever. I bought two of them. There's one here and from Mortal Kombat. I've seen Cole thousands of places. Sonya Blade, Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero not as much as Cole and Sonya Blade, but first time ever. And it was funny because they brought out, like, I guess 20, like two of these big rack cases of them. There was only 7 of them left. So I grabbed 2. I don't even know why I did that. White Mamba from the Space Jam movie. I want to get LeBron James. You know, it's sad because I really think LeBron James is a great player, but, you know, being such an idiot on TV over stupid stuff he really has no business talking about. Garrett Cole. It's only second baseball players I've seen. I've seen Alex Bregman, Garrett Cole. Ooh, I should tell you. Oh, tomorrow. It's coming out tomorrow. You know, I'll have to keep it to myself. I don't want to say where, but I went to a certain store, and they had Larry Bird. They had Larry Bird, and one of the boxes was smashed pretty bad. But they had Larry Bird and David Robinson, rare collectibles, it said. From, I'm going to guess the 1992 Dream Team. They had the same logo, the 92 Dream Team. And I brought it up, and it was weird, like the light turned black or red, or started freaking out. There's Soundwave. Transformers, more of these things. But anyway, so it's crazy. This girl comes running from over on the other side. Is that basketball? Is that basketball? Is that basketball? And the guy's like, which one did you scan? And I'm like, David Robinson's in the bag. So I took it out of the bag. I said, this one here. He takes it, he looks at it. Some girl comes running over. She's like, David Robinson? You're not allowed to have David Robinson? And I'm like, why not? She's like, David Robinson's not allowed to be sold. I said, what? I thought she was talking about slaves or something. I was like, Miss, what are you talking about? And she goes, who else do you have? You have Larry Bird? And I'm like, yeah. It's like, this one, the box is ripped, but I never saw him before, so I didn't care if the box was smashed. She's like, no, you can't have him. He can't be sold either. I said, well, I have another Lyrebird, and I have another David Rabbit. I had 2 of each. She's like, no, and she like grabs them off me. I'm like, what the heck? She's like, no. They're not supposed to be sold until the 24th. I'm like, when is that? And she's like, I think she said Sunday, but it has to be tomorrow. What's today? Friday? Yeah, Saturday. Wednesday. It was that was pretty funny. All right. Good, I'm done. Thank God. Oh, no, wait, hold on. One more bag. Extra bag. Oh, this is the stuff I got today. It says extreme value. And it has these old racing packs. This one's from 2013. There's like 2 packs and a bunch of cards, like loose cards. There was something else I got. Oh, here. Stealth. Press pass stealth. There was ones with Danica Patrick on it, and I refused to get them. I grabbed these 2 first, and I didn't really care. And then some lady comes over. Oh, no, you can't take those. So why not? She's like, you have too many. I'm like, what are you talking about? She's like, well, look. You have, like, she saw the 2 racing packs, and she saw the 2. Yeah, this guy's called Rocksteady, but on his card he's called Lycan something, I forget. Oh, Lycan Rock or something. Or was it Lycan Rock? I remember Rock was the first 3 letters, or the last 3 letters of his name, of his card name. 110 points. And this one's called, and the lighting really sucks. I can't see it. Arion Nicolcanis. I can't see it though. Luminous Frost. Okay, that's better. Luminous Frost. But that's not what it says on the card. And he's a 110 also. Starter decks, theme decks. I just grabbed them because it was funny. They had that Van Xanarthran and Zarnia, the 2 ones that started with the Z. I was gonna buy them. I was gonna buy 1 of each. And that's when that girl came over. She's like, "What are you gonna get?" And I'm like, I really want to get these, but they're $60 a piece. She goes, "I know. These Strixhaven. It's funny. These Strixhavens. They're so much." I go, "Yeah." I said, because it got popular, they start jacking up the prices of everything. Like almost everybody did it. Some of the stuff is $3, $4, $5 more than what it started out at. I remember one of the hoops or one of the basketball packs went from like $9 to $14.95, and one of them, I forget which one it was. Some of the blasters went from $19 to $25.90 or $26.95. The megas went from like 37, 38, 39, whatever, up to like 45 to 50. What could you do? Alright, I'm gonna end this, but thanks for watching, and sorry that I totally forgot to finish this series. Okay, you guys have a good one. Oops, hitting the wrong button.